This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
Tuesday night and Wednesday, clear. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 507, effective until 7 a.m. Sunday. This watch includes the following counties: in Arkansas: Conway, Garland, Hot Spring, Perry, Pope, P, O, P, E, Saline, Van Buren, and Yell. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Little Rock, the National Weather.
Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 510, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Arkansas, Grant, and Jefferson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In and close to the watch area. While severe weather The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, central Arkansas County in southeastern Arkansas until 6:15 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of Gillette, or 8 miles southwest of DeWitt, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gillette, DeWitt, Weber, Ethel, Duluth, Tickner.
conducting a required weekly or required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Esta es una prueba. Esta estación está transmitiendo la prueba semanal o mensual requerida por el sistema de alarma y de emergencia. Esta es solamente una prueba.
468-8834.
Jen's gonna hide. Nothing's actually happened. Just a test of the emergency.
This station is participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
A 911 telephone outage emergency has been declared for Kiljuff. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Jasper County 911 dispatch. The Jasper County 911 dispatch has determined that a 911 service disruption has occurred and that area residents will need to use a cellular phone to call 911, or if a cellular phone is unavailable, to call 641-792-59024 emergency services. The area affected by the 911 services disruption includes Kiljuff. The 911 service disruption began at 4:50 p.m. and is expected to be restored within a few hours.
Flash flood warning.
Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for southern Grant County in central Arkansas, northeastern Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas until 3 p.m. At 9:03 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 2 to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is likely to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pine Bluff, Sheridan, Whitehall, Alzheimer, Humphrey, Leola, Lamont, Cottondale, Pine Bluff Arsenal, Matting, Warburton, Richardson, Dogwood, Jenkins Ferry State Park, Sulphur Springs, Warbanica, Sherrill, Ain, Pastoria, Cornerstone. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flood warning for northwestern Cleveland County in southeastern Arkansas, southern Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Prairie County in central Arkansas, southeastern Lonoke County in central Arkansas, Grant County in central Arkansas, Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, southern Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, southeastern Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, northern Arkansas County in southeastern Arkansas until 8:30 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms with heavy rain over the area. The rain has caused and will continue to cause flooding. Between 2 and 5 inches of rainfall has fallen over the warned area. There have already been numerous reports of inundation in low-lying areas. With continued rainfall expected, water will be slow to recede. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pine Bluff, Arkadelphia, Stuttgart, Sheridan, Whitehall, Garrison, Redfield, Alzheimer, Holly Grove, Humphrey, Leola, Sparkman, Carthage, Plattsville, Almira, Ulm, Okolona, Wayland Springs, Bern, Gum Springs in Clark County. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. At 11. At 6:12 p.m., a strong thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds and waterspouts was located 18 nautical miles northeast of Fadbuiti, or 30 nautical miles north of Kipuhi, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible.
Mostly cloudy. A slight chance of snow in the evening and
This is a test of the National Weather Service Hazardous Weather Warning System. You can hear warnings direct from the National Weather Service over the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Tests of this warning system on NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards are made each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there's a possibility of severe weather, the test will be delayed until the next good weather day. The NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards system is equipped with a warning service called SAME. This is short for a Specific Area Message Encoder. SAME allows people with special receivers to be notified of watches and/or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, radio and television stations. This has been a test, and at the end of this test, regular programming will resume.